Sometimes all you need is a little escape from the usual routine. Our journey to Basochu Waterfall began with a drive through the beautiful landscapes of Sirang and Gelephu. As we left Gelephu behind, the scenery slowly changed. The green mountains, winding roads, and the Wangdi tunnel became part of our journey. And then, from the highway, we finally caught our first glimpse of Basochu. But spotting the waterfall was one thing, getting there was another. After a rather bumpy ride, we finally reached the end of the road. And then there it was, Basochu Waterfall. Surrounded by green mountains and the beautiful valley, it was one of those moments when you just want to stop and take it all in. By the time we started heading back, the waterfall had already changed, with the flow looking much gentler than before. And after all that walking, we were definitely ready for some food. We had brought our own lunch, but of course, we couldn't resist ordering a little something too.